Okay, and now I want to, not only do I want to hide or show objects on the active sheet, the sheet I'm looking at, I would like to show you how you can hide or show things that are on sheets that you're not looking at. And so this could be beneficial for when you open up different tools for different areas. You can have those objects making sure that they are there in case they previously had been hidden for whatever reason. And so on sheet 2 here, I have another text box that I've named panel sheet 2. And what I will do in the code, I'm just going to comment out this first code that we did in the previous video, and I want to write in a bit more code to talk about the specific sheet that this panel lives on. And the way that I need to do that is by first typing this workbook dot sheets, and then I can in parentheses put the sheet name. So sheet 2, you can put whatever the name of that sheet is. And then we're going to say the same kind of thing with shapes dot range, open parentheses array, put the name panel sheet 2, two clothing parentheses, visible, and then again I could put MSO false here to toggle it off. Shapes. Try that again. Toggles it off. And now if I do a similar thing to what I did before, if I put not, and I do the same code, it should toggle. Toggle on, toggle off, toggle on, toggle off. And so now if I'm back on sheet 1, if I press toggle, it's going to be on. If I'm back on sheet 1 and press toggle, it's going to be off. And so I don't have to be on the same sheet in order to hide or show different objects. And again, this could be beneficial if you have it set up in the code where it will hide certain elements of your program here. And you want to make sure that when you arrive to this sheet, it's active and showing. Stay tuned for the next video where I talk about how to create code to move from one sheet to another.